Hey, it's your girl Antoinette MUA, and I'm back with another wig install. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay, I've already added the makeup and I've already bleached the knots on this wig. So right here, I'm just trying to measure and see exactly where I want my wig to be. Cutting off these ear tabs. Now that I have my wig exactly where I want it, I'm going to go ahead and just add my Got2b glue gel. I always use this gel because I never leave my wigs on for too long. After I apply my gel, I'll go in with my Got2b glue spray, just one layer. And now I'll sit here and I'll just dry this just a little bit, just until it gets tacky, not until it's fully dry. Now I'll apply my wig and press that into the glue as much as possible. And then I'll go back in with my hair dryer and I will just dry this down the rest of the way. Now I'm going to just go ahead and comb out that hair that's on the front part of the hairline so it does not get stuck. Adding one more layer of that Got2b glue gel before I go in and apply my elastic band. Now that my elastic band is in place, I'm just going to go ahead and dry this on high until it's completely dry. And I'm going to also finish drying the rest of this hair because it is still wet from when I bleached my knots earlier. Now I will continue to dry this hair until it is completely dry because it is pretty saturated from when I washed it earlier. I should have dried it in the beginning, but I didn't. So now I'm just going to sit here and just finish drying this hair all the way out. Going in with my flat irons, I just want to get this hair just a little bit straight. I don't want it to be bone straight, but I do want to get it just a little bit more straighter than it already is. Now I can go in and remove this elastic band. Now it's time to start cutting off this lace. Being very careful not to cut myself. Now I'm just going to go in and add just a little bit of baby hair, not a whole lot, just enough, just to make this hairline look a little bit more realistic. Now I'm going to go in and add just a little bit of that Got2b gel just to keep this hair in place. Now I'm just going to keep trying to shape these baby hairs until I get the exact shape that I want. I'm going to go ahead and cut down my baby hair just a little bit here. I'm going to go ahead and put me a side part in this hair. I'm just going to add a little bit of that Got2b glue gel just to hold down those flyaways. Normally I wouldn't do this step. I would normally hot comb it, but I really don't have time today. So I'm just going to use a little of that Got2b gel just to try to hold down those flyaways. This install only took me about 30 minutes. I was really trying to hurry because I didn't have a lot of time on my hands. I have to go to work here in a little bit. but it will definitely get me through this work day. This is pretty much it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed my super quick wig install before I go to work, because this is exactly what this was. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Have a good one.